Non è male. È carino.
Adesso è verde, dici. Comunque non sono al 1000, per quello che non sono diversi dai nostri, poi non c'è al 1000, negli ingredienti ho guardato, ho letto. Ecco, che schifo.
take the brakes off. And I ride, yeah. Whatever takes us, yeah, yeah, yeah. To get high. I chase the devil, yeah, yeah, yeah. Into
prezzolino, dato che fa acquisti.
Oh, questo supermercato ci dà soddisfazione. Dai, lo provo, l'altra volta l'ho lasciato lì. Me ne pentirò 100%.
Smoking, I suffocate.
Abbiamo fatto per il primo inizio,
Torneo di backgammon stasera? Mettiamo in palio la verginità di Dodo.
She was sitting at a Ford top with a few of her friends, working off the work week, a couple drinks in, when that jukebox dime finally hit Paradise City. She was screaming every word like it was 87. She caught me looking and laughing, singing along too.
Finiamo, raga.
Ma mi devo cambiare.
Sono le 7:30. Quanto ci mettiamo ad arrivare poi?
Ma non sei quanto prima, cioè. Fai il 3.
Buoni.
Saying no, sweet child of mine's alright, but have you heard? Don't cry. Whoa, she knew every B-side, and I just sat and let her talk all night. Thank the whiskey for the tipsy dance she gave me. Thank a couple lucky strikes left from my lucky streak. Thank the barkeeper keeping that patio open. Yeah, I could keep going. Thank God, and Guns N' Roses. She told me her daddy wore out that two-side tape, that 81 Bronco had seen its better days, but it made it 200 miles, and we got a couple seats, knocking on heaven's door in the nosebleed.
Ora mi vado a lavare le mani.
gliel'abbiamo anche segnalato quando eravamo tutti italiani.
L'hai detto? Top. Io sono contento del menù.
Child of mine's alright.
Guarda la tua telecamera.
She knew every B-side, and I just sat and let her talk all night. Thank the whiskey for the tipsy dance she gave me. Thank a couple lucky strikes left from my lucky streak. Thank the barkeeper keeping that patio open. Yeah, I could keep going. Thank God, and Guns N' Roses.
Era buono.
Sweet child of mine's alright, but have you heard? Don't cry.